Testing mic 1 2 3. Testing mic 1 2 3. All right, sorry about that. What's up, dev heads? Today we're gonna continue with the project DevGames3085, a game about game developers and gamers, where they could come in and where game developers can come in and showcase their video games um, to gamers. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a rundown of what I have so far. Dev head. Okay, so far what I have is what I have started, or what I created first, was the booths. So these booths are gonna be taken by game developers. My aim is to create a child or a parent of these booths and then duplicate them across the game or the level. So far I have created 2 for testing purposes. Within these booths we have a main spotlight, and I haven't finished these smaller circle ones, but these smaller ones can be taken by gamers who are trying out the game and can broadcast their game. So for an example, let's go ahead and run the game. One second. Okay, so as an example, let's run the game. So here, one second, let's see what's going on. Let's play as a server. Let's play as download game. So here I created a character that looks like Neo because he's one of my characters in the game. Live. Make it too much.
Oh.
Sorry. Sorry about that. As a game developer, I can claim a booth. So in case I want to show my game, so I'll go ahead and step on the main booth and hit E. Here we are shown a trailer that we can add to the booth and an image. Um, it's a small temporary HUD. It is working. For example, I'll go ahead and add a video here in YouTube, maybe one of these. I'll copy this URL. I'll go ahead and claim this booth. Let's see. I guess I gotta figure that out in terms of reclaiming a booth. So when I hit E, I can go ahead and paste here for the video and load it. And I exit. In theory, the video should be playing on top. But let's go ahead and figure out what's going on. Let's go ahead and open this. Let's open up the child. This should be shown once I claim it. Assuming it's because I'm not the server or the client. Let's go ahead and change instead of going standalone, let's go for play as listen server. Hit play. E. There you go. That fixes all the issues. Let's hit load.
How are you doing, Roxy? How was your day today?
As you can
It's
see,
going. It's going quite
as a
well,
game
actually.
developer, I can play a
Really?
trailer,
Yes.
showcase
I
anything I
love it.
want.
So, can you show me what kind
I
of
can
music
pause it and play
do
it,
you listen?
but let's go ahead and exit. Okay, first thing first, let's fix the image of the booth. Right now, this will be an image. I'll put it on the side so it can look better. Make it smaller, thinner. There you go. Here you can put a logo or an image of your game. That can be done via URL as well. Let's get a JPEG. JPEG, just for testing purposes. Let's get a picture of a cat. Copy link address. Yeah, there you go. Play the game. Name the booth. And load the image. I wonder if this image is clickable or loadable. Copy image address. I think that's way better. Let's go ahead back to the game. Play. Hit E. Paste. Yeah, paste it. There you go. So you can see the image now works. Alright. So I guess what I want to do now is to create a small little level so we can make these booths appear better or look better. So let's start off by opening the map level. Let's go ahead and delete these. No longer need it. Delete this. Delete this. Okay. Delete this and this. Go ahead and duplicate this. Show your lines properly. Need to have a grid so it can snap better. In that case, let's delete this again. We'll go ahead and see if it's aligned. There you go. Let's go ahead and create one more. See if it's aligned. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Now for the sake of simplicity, I'll go ahead and hold shift, click all these, click these three grid, I guess cubes, you could say. And then I'll go ahead and align it. Boom. Now we can go ahead and work on our booths. I'll go ahead and add about I guess 5 will do. Space them up. Okay. Let's go ahead and duplicate these. Oops. Probably accidentally hit the floor. But I think this will do. I don't think I need to duplicate it just yet. So as you can see, we have booths that we can claim. In theory, once we get off the overlap, we can continue claiming it. Yeah, so that's working. But we should be able to claim other ones if we did not. Oh wait, no, that's correct. If I already claimed this booth, we shouldn't be able to claim other booths. So it's working as a tenant, but we need some kind of indicator. Maybe we can add a particle effect just for now. We'll go ahead and open up the blueprint, which we could do here via. We'll go ahead and see what kind of particles we can add. Add particle. Let's go ahead and add a particle. Particle. There we go. Let's make it a Niagara. Let's see what we got on the list. Let's see what Unreal Engine gives us in terms of particle effects. Particle. We can add sparks, I guess. Use this one here. Add it to the Niagara particle effect. Guess it has to be a Niagara effect in order for it to work. Niagara, or whatever you want to call it. I guess we don't have any, and we need to import them. In that case, let's go ahead and buy something or import something from Fab. And let's, I guess you could use that. Got a little frozen. No, please. Alright, I got unstuck. For the sake of saving my life, I'll go ahead and save all. Let's go to the Unreal Marketplace, which is called Fab now. Guess it opens up this. Start exploring. Let's look for a Niagara effect. Let's log in. Hold on. It should, in theory, open up the Fab within the editor, if I'm not mistaken, under Windows. Not this one. No, that's Quixel. Okay. Metahumans home. I guess it wants us to open it via that website for now. My library. Let's log in. Save it. Gonna go ahead and unshare my screen for a bit. Waiting for the email. Sorry guys, didn't know that was gonna take a while. I guess I gotta get used to Fab. I missed the old marketplace, but that's everything. You gotta get used to everything. You gotta get used to changes. All right. Finally got the email for the verification code. I'll go ahead and plug that in. After that, I can now go live. There you go. Now let's look for a Niagara effect. 2D, 3D model animation, brushes, decals. Let's go ahead and type in Niagara. Let's use these. Let's go ahead and add it to my library. Event launcher. Okay. Add to project. We're working on the game called DevGames3085. It's not possible. I wonder if I wonder is it because it does not support 5.5. Lovely. Okay, this one supports it, but it's not what we're looking for. I guess we can add it to the project. I think show all projects. And we'll look for DevGames3085. Here. As it's not compatible with version, please select closest. So yeah, 5.5 would be it. Oh no, the closest would be 5.4. So we'll add it to the project. So if you got an outdated plugin, just make sure you select the closest. Obviously, don't add assets that are for the Unreal Engine 4.27, I'm assuming, or 4.27. Yeah, try to match it as close as you can. If not, I will not use it because a lot of things could be outdated. So, anyways, now that we have a particle effect, let's go ahead and open up our booth and look for a Niagara effect that we can use for our booth. In this case, let's see where our effects are. I think this is the last time I'm going to do vertical stream. I really don't like to I don't like the fact that you guys are missing out on what I'm seeing. So yeah, this will probably be the last time I vertical stream. Anyways, let's go ahead and look for a particle effect. Content. We got fab, yeah. Hanging monitor. That's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, screen, start pack, third person, widget, blueprint, image sign. I'm beginning to wonder if I actually loaded the asset there. Let's see. We'll go back to this. And then we'll add this to the project. Show all projects. Then we'll look for DevGames3085. Look for version 5.4. Add to project. The files from the basic Niagara VX already exist, so I guess we did add them. Wonder if I should close my project, but I doubt it. Let's go ahead to the content folder again. Bluetooth broadcast, shaders. Well, in theory, all I have to do if we do have Niagara effects is click on the Niagara component, and then we'll add a Niagara here. And yeah, as we can see, there are a few. So let's pick this yellow one just for testing purposes. We'll increase it, make it larger. There you go. That looks cool. Cool. Now we can go ahead and hit play. And as you can see, I guess it's just a one trigger particle effect. I'll go ahead and make it loopable if possible. Let's go ahead and look at the components, see the features we have. Auto activate. Let's see if there's anything that says loop. I might have to open up the actual Niagara effect. Let's see. Make it loopable. Properties. Loop duration. I believe if you change loop duration to 0, it constantly plays, if I'm not mistaken. Loop behavior once, infinity once. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, it loops. Not the effects that I was going for, but like I said, this is for testing purposes. So I hit play. The particle disappears, and in theory it should come back, but it does not. Let's see. I did put loop duration here, 0 infinity. Unless there's another one that we need to adjust. Properties, local, properties, spawn. quick fix. Let's see, hopefully this works. Uh, crap, super big. See if I can lower that. But all right, sorry about that. Okay, we'll use this for an example for now. Awesome. What I really want to do is when you claim it, I want a particle effect to appear, showing that this is your booth. So let's see if I could do something fairly quick before I end the stream. So go ahead and leave this how it was. Okay. Let's close this. Now what we want to do is add some blueprints. Got so many of them here. Let's close up a few. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So I gotta start organizing my blueprints and start labeling them. So this is for the player stuff. Booth pick server, okay. Event capsule overlap. So on claim, pipeline. So I guess we can make it on claim. We can booth overlap. Claim, we gotta set claim. So for the Niagara particle, we can go ahead and create a hidden. So we can start off Niagara effect as hidden. Hidden in game. Compile play. Yep, hidden. Now we have to activate it once we claim it. So That's third person stuff. Claim. It's been a while, so I have to kind of refresh my memory. My name. Get claim. If it's true, notify. So here, I guess we can make it so the Niagara effect. Set hidden again. All right. Let's see. There you go. Actually, that's overlap. We want it to actually claim it. Overlap. E. So I guess the functionality comes from the third person character. On input interact. If it's true, if it's false here. So here what we're gonna do is get the reference of the booth, get the Niagara effect, Niagara, okay, asset. Then from here we're gonna hidden, set hidden again, and we'll put it to false. Alright. Oh no, we had a crash. Alright, let's go ahead and reopen the project one more time. I think I made a shortcut, yeah. Hopefully my work has been saved. Gotta free up some space. Probably what the problem was. Let's empty the second bin for now. Gotta remove some games, most likely. Let's go ahead and edit the blueprint. See if our Niagara effect was loaded in. Didn't save the one we made, so yeah, it didn't get saved. Should be fairly simple now that I got the hang of it. Got the heart again. Okay, so go higher up, compile. So now what we want to do is make sure this Niagara effect is hidden when we start the game. Hidden in game. Obviously, I'm not gonna keep this, or maybe I will, but I might change out the particle effect. This is just for references purposes only. So now what we want is the Niagara effect to appear once we claim the booth. So what we're gonna do now is open up third person character, and on his upon interaction we will again grab the reference to the booth, get the Niagara particle effect. I don't think we need this. Then we're gonna set the asset to be visible by setting new hidden to false here, right here. So let's save before I crash again. Hit play in the booth, and voila, we have a particle effect. that works upon claiming it. That way I could tell out of all these hundreds booths that I might display that this one is mine. I'm pretty sure as a client you'll be able to see it, but that's for future videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is probably going to be the last time I vertical stream because I don't like the fact that you can't fully see my screen. And when it comes to programming or blueprints, I would much rather have you guys see the whole screen. Sorry about that. And till next time, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.